Hi, my name is Anna Effie. I'm 11 years old. I'm 4 feet 7 inches tall, and I live in Denver, Colorado.
Thank you, everyone. We have quite the experience in store for you.
You're a legend, oh man! If it weren't for Owen Fest, we'd all be miserable and hate our dumb, boring lives.
I do it all for you.
Mr. O-Man. Sir.
Hey.
I was the kid who yelled stuff before. From the line. Like a minute ago.
Yeah, I remember. What's up?
Sorry to bother you. I just wanted to tell you face to face how much I appreciate what you've done.
Thanks.
I mean, to fix the gym's roof and give us kids something constructive to do on a Friday night, it's inspiring.
I wouldn't say that.
Well, I would. I've been saving up my allowance for something special, and when I saw the video for Owen Fest, I just knew it was worthy of my hard-earned money.
You spent your entire allowance savings on a ticket to this?
And the birthday money my Nana sent.
The ticket was only $40. No offense, man, but Nana's kind of cheap.
I sprung for the VIP package.
Excuse me.
Shh! I bet he's gonna announce what special celebrity guests are dropping by! Tell us, oh man! Whoa! A cheese sandwich! Just like the cartoon!